Oh yeah, bang! We got the new basic E-case in. We have been loving our shipments lately, and today was a monster shipment. We got in so much stuff, I can't even tell you everything we got in, but we're going to start with hot off the truck for the E-case. As the usual, we're going to go 3x3 and we're going to check out basic E-case. One of our absolute favorite things to open up. Going to get you a top-down view. Oh, look at this, guys. It looks like they improved the cardboard on the box. A little thicker, you see that? Here's a top-down view of the first level. Let's go 3x3, see what we got. The first three in the case are the Audi RS5, the I Believe, and the Nissan Silvia. I think all three of these are new for this case, at least color-wise. Here's a real nice view of the Audi RS5. It's got that nice blue color. I'd like to drive that one. Alright, then we got the I Believe. I believe I've never seen this casting before. That's interesting, guys. Look at that. It's got like a bug-like top to it. The next car is the Nissan Silvia S13. Check that thing out. It's got the old school laced rims on it from a long time ago. That's a very cool model right there, guys. I believe that one's the first basic car. They've done that a couple of times in the premium line. Okay. Then we got the 88 Honda CRX. We've got the 92 Ford Mustang and the Diora 3, which we've had these bottom two, I believe. Check out this Honda CRX. All new colors for this one. That's pretty cool. Got nice decals on the back. Number 20 on the side. The next three in the case. We've had the Forward Force. We've had the white Vulcan before. We've had the Range Rover Velar before, but I don't think we've had black. I think we've had silver, and I think we've had white. Got the, let's see, the 9-spoke wheels. It's bad to the bone, guys. Very cool. Range Rover Velar. The next three in the case. We've had the Porsche 918 Spider before. We've had the Street Stealth before. This one right here is a new one, the Geo Terra. Got like a transparent yellow top to it. A little spider. That's very cool. The next three in the case. Let's see here. We've seen the La Fasta before. The Tesla Model 3. Check that out. And then we've got a 69 Chevelle. Take a closer look at these real quick. It's very sweet. And the Chrome 69 Chevelle. Gotta love the chrome. The next three in the case. are the Cloak and Dagger, which we've had before. The white Aston Martin Vulcan, which we've had before. And the Bugatti, which we've had before, but everybody loves the Bugatti. The next three in the case are the 65 Mustang Fastback with the Golf, the Fished and Chipped, and the Baja Truck. The Baja Truck, check that out. It's got the crazy Hot Wheels logo on the side, that's cool. The Fished and Chipped also has some wicked tampos on it. You see how crazy those are? Straight down the hood, on the top of the car, it's got a W. Very cool. And then you got the Golf 65 Mustang. Got the baby blue Golf. I do love that, just like everybody else. The next three in the case is another one of the Mustangs. We've had the Diora 3. And then they got the green custom Cadillac Fleetwood. I don't remember what color that was. It's very cool. The next three, we've got the Aisle Driver, which we've had before. We've got the Runway Rescue, which we've had before, but not in that color. And then we've got another Tesla, Model 3. Gotta love the Teslas. The next three in the case are the Honda Civic Type R in black, the Radical Racer, which we've had before, and then look at this. This is the treasure hunt of the case. It's the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. It's got a kind of a navy blue color to it, but then it's got the treasure hunt logo on the front fender flare. See that right there? It's a cool treasure hunt, guys. The last six in the top row. We've got another Honda Civic Type R, an Aisle Driver, a 92 Mustang. All of those we've had before. We've got another Porsche 918 and two of the custom Acura Integra GSRs, which we've had. So that leads us to the bottom layer. Quick top-down view of the bottom layer. There we go. We're halfway done. We've got the Speed Driver, which has the wrench on the back. We've seen that one. We've got Mod Rod in red. The other one I think was a dark blue. So we've got a new color on the Mod Rod. We have the Aeropod with the skull on the front, which we've had that Aeropod before. I don't remember if that's the same color that we had. The next three in the case. We've got the Rip Rod, which we've had before. We have the Moto Wing, which we've had before. And we have the Volkswagen Beetle Pickup. All three of those we've had before. These are not new castings. The next three, we've also had these. The Ford Ranger Raptor in white, the Nerve Hammer, and the Beat All in bright orange. The next three in the case, we've got a recolor of the Time of Taxi, kind of a burnt mustardy color. We've got a Mazda Repu, and we've got the custom Cadillac Fleetwood in green again. The next three in the case are the Volkswagen Beetle pickup with the moon eyes on it, the Mazda Repu, and the Ranger Raptor. The next three are as a new color of the El Viento. We've got a Moto Wing, and we've got the Alpine Auto Cup, which we've had that before in a couple of cases. The next three in the case, we've got the Range Rover in black, we've got the Honda CRX, and the Bugatti Chiron again. The next three in the case are the Bond Mustang convertible, which we had last case, the Forward Force, and the Surf and Turf. Those are all recycles from last case. The next three, we have the Manga Tuner, which we had last case, the Surf and Turf, which was last case, and then there's the awesome Nissan Silvia, which is new for this case, but it looks like it's 2 per case. From Nissan Silvia. Almost done with the case, guys. We've got another Geoterra, a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and we've got the Audi RS5 Coupe. The last 6 in the case are, oh, this is cool. We've got a 49 Ford F1. It says Legends on the side. It is definitely a recolor, and it is awesome. Check out that Ford on the back. Gotta love the 49 Ford. Then we have another 18 Ford Mustang, and then we've got the Circle Tracker, which we haven't seen in a while. It says 75th anniversary of Mattel on the Circle Tracker. And then the last three, that's the empty of the case. The last three are the Rip Rod, which we've had before. And we've got a new color of the Quick Bite with the ice cream on it. And then we have a brand new car that I've never seen before. This is called the Donut Drifter. It's a donut with a guy driving it. Race car. There you go, guys. That wraps up eBasic Case. Thank you again for joining us. We have several more things to show you in the next couple of days, so be sure you're checking back because we appreciate you. We're going to keep bringing you new content. So there's a top-down view of some of the highlights of eCase. Hope you guys are having a good start to the year. We know we are. We're having fun. Hope you guys are too. Wheel Collectors is out.